this is the DIY Magician. We're here with another turn a toy into a puppet. This one is from Frozen. This is that little snowman that everyone loves. And this little guy, I couldn't get him to work. There is a mechanism inside, and we're gonna have to try and figure out how to take that out. So, but there he is. I don't know if my hand's gonna make it through this little opening here, but we're gonna give it a shot, okay? He's got an open and closed mouth, his little tooth is there and all that good stuff. So, right now, of course, I didn't plan ahead and remove anything, so we're gonna see what it's gonna take. Hopefully it won't take that much effort, and we'll make this a really quick video for you. But I'm going to remove the little trap door at the bottom. Again, I tried earlier and he just doesn't do anything. And that's sad because I wanted to see what he does. So let's see, and this is just getting the little hatch door off. Sorry, I should have planned ahead on this. There we go. Alright, well maybe, you know, actually I haven't tried this. Maybe it'll work. Let's see what he does, if he does anything. No. Okay. Switch it the other way. No. Okay, I'll tell you what. You know what? Well, I've got you. Just for fun. We didn't do the big fancy smancy one last time, but we're going to see if he does anything. Just for fun. Just to see if it works. And it'll be a special edition video here. Okay. There he is. Okay, let's see. Does he do anything? I don't know. Let's see. Let's switch it the other way. Maybe that was on. Oh.
I gotta say, I still like it.
He does something. Hold on. Let's try it again.
Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
He likes a warm hug. Okay, hold on. Oh, dear. Yep. Stay there. Stay. Oh. I think we're gonna put him out of his misery. Let's do this. Let's take out the batteries. I always get these things in various conditions, and this one clearly was not designed to be around children, because the neck is pretty much shot. But it looked like it had the wiring that was making the mouth move up and down. So that being said, hey, this one might be fairly easy. Oh yeah, check this out. It is not screwed on. It is held on with a zip tie. So the trick is getting underneath the zip tie and cutting it without cutting the actual guy itself. You might be able to do it. Did I get it? Oh. I got it. Okay. So now, with the zip tie removed, this little mechanism will come out. How lucky am I getting today? Today's been a good day for these videos. I'll tell you what, there's several that I've done today so far. And I'll tell you what, each one of them has come apart like a dream. A dream. This one, just as much. In fact, you know what? There are two switches here. So is there a switch on this hand? I might have figured out what the problem is. I think it joins together and it slides into place. Oh my goodness. Is there a motor up there? There's some other motor up there. I'm going to try and fix it. And if we can, we will do a two-parter. It'll be on the same deal, but I think what I can do, there's a socket, and I think this part here, the top part, goes right in that socket and then clips into place. Hang on. I'm determined to see if we. This is the first time I've actually turned it around and tried to fix something. Let's see here. Hold on. There's that. Should go right in. Is that it? No. No. It wants to, but no. Okay. That's too bad. Because that would have been kind of fun. But I've got to figure out how to get this little guy unhooked. Is there a switch there? Where's these switches going to? That goes right to his hand. Oh, actually, that's the control for up here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it out of his neck. Hold on a second here. There's quite a bit. Boy, it looks like they've sewn it up back here, like they put it in two spots. Almost, oh boy. I don't care about the mechanism inside, but this is one of those puppets that I would love to have if I can do it without damaging this neck area. But I don't know that the gizmo would even come out that way. The dilemma. The dilemma. Let me see if I can squeeze it out. Maybe that'll work. No. Is that going to work? Come on. Wait a sec. It might. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Maybe. I can build a snowman. Or maybe I can't. Wow. This is such a good opportunity for a puppet. Oh, is that working? Oh, did I get past the foam? Keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying. Never give up. Oh, yep, yep. I think I got it. Look at that face. I'll tell you what, I've given up on this gizmo, so we're clipping the cord. Get this thing out of the way. Because I've got a chance at redemption here. Look at him, look at him, look at him. I can do it. I can do it. He is so close, so close. Let's see here, hold on. I've got the mechanism down through the neck. It's that last little bit where it's oh, this is working. Hang on. This is working. I'm getting the mouth section out. So I've got the top part of the jaw and the mechanism down through that spot. But I need to switch to the front and get that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that face. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so I think if I do this right, I might be able to just cut it, but I don't know. Hold on. This is a challenge. Ooh, I got the bottom. Oh, I got it. I think I tore something, which is good. One. 2. Oh, this is awesome. Look at that. I got it. So it would have been cool to keep this mechanism. Now, what I could do is splice it together. See, oh, it did snap. It was socketed in there, but it did snap. But I could keep this together like this. I could splice the wires back together and come up with some sort of a gizmo using the base. But this is the reason we came today. This is it. Can I get my hand through here? Oh, it's really snug. This might end up being a kid's puppet, but I've got my hand almost through. If I pop a couple of the seams, I'm gonna make it. There it is. Okay. Can you build this? I can't make it work. Hold on. I'm gonna make it work. There's so much extra material in there. Oh, look at that. It came through there. No. All that work to get to this point, and I can't make him work. Apparently I cannot build a snowman. I'm so sorry. But I'll tell you what, we got pretty close, and I can use some of this. Maybe I'll I don't know what I'm going to do. But there he is. It keeps my hand warm. That's good. But that's it. Sorry about that. Hey, if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and you'll get all the updates. And again, we're trying to make puppets out of animated toys. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time.